Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Raja Salim Akhtar. Welcome in this new video. Before to watch the further video, subscribe my channel, like the video, click on bell icon, share the videos. If A vector, B vector, C vector be a set of non-coplanar vectors and A dash vector is equal to B vector cross C vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box, B dash vector is equal to C vector cross A vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box, C dash vector is equal to A vector cross B vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box. Then prove that solution to prove A vector is equal to B dash vector cross C dash vector over A dash vector, B dash vector, C dash vector box. Consider B dash vector cross C dash vector equal to as B dash vector equal to C vector cross A vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box cross C dash vector is equal to A vector cross B vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box. It can be written as equal to C vector cross A vector cross A vector cross B vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box square. It can be written as equal to capital A vector cross B vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box square, where capital A vector is equal to C vector cross. It can be written as equal to using here formula of vector triple product capital A vector dot B vector A vector minus capital A vector dot A vector B vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box square. It can be written as equal to as capital A vector is equal to C vector cross A vector dot B vector A vector minus similarly here C vector cross A vector dot A vector B vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box square, and it can be written as equal to C vector, A vector, B vector box A vector minus 0 vector, because this scalar triple product is equal to 0 because two vectors are same. It can be written as equal to A vector, B vector, C vector box A vector over A vector, B vector, C vector box square, and it can be written as equal to 1 over A vector, B vector, C vector box A vector. After cancelling, know that A dash vector, B dash vector, C dash vector box is equal to 1 over A vector, B vector, C vector box. Therefore, B dash vector cross C dash vector is equal to A dash vector, B dash vector, C dash vector box A vector, and it can be written as A vector is equal to B dash vector cross C dash vector over A dash vector, B dash vector, C dash vector box. Similarly, we can prove other parts. Do yourself.